The view and history here is really nice, but the noise is something else. This is the Jongsong Observatory. It's probably the noisiest cafe in Seoul, Korea. Diba ang ingay? But the view is amazing. No more Joande though. It's really good, but I didn't hear the but. Maybe she's complaining about the noise. Yep, there's a cafe. It's free and these are the directions for visitors.